Observe traffic, Sky Quarter Tango, taxiing to runway 27 blue. Observe traffic, Sky Quarter Tango, back taxiing runway 27 blue. Observe traffic, Sky Quarter Tango, departing 27 blue.
We got power.
Get back over to the center.
Speed's alive. 55. Climbing out.
Harrisburg to Skyhawk 7842 Tango, over Zerby at 3000, requesting advisories to Lancaster.
Skyhawk 7842 Tango, slot 0346.
0346.
17, altimeter 29 or 8. Visual approach runway 26 or runway 31 in use. Land and hold short operations are in effect for aircraft landing runway 26 and holding short of runway 31. Available landing distance for participating aircraft is 5,100 feet. Advise on initial contact you have information Foxtrot. Good morning, Lancaster information Foxtrot, time 1453 Zulu, wind at 210 at Niner, visibility 10 miles, sky condition few.
Lancaster, Skyhawk 7842 Tango, 12 north, with Foxtrot, full stop.
Cessna 7842 Tango, Lancaster Tower to the right base, runway 26, report 3 north.
Well, plan on the right base for 26 and report 3 north, 7842 Tango.
Cessna 42 Tango, thank you.
Lancaster, Skyhawk 7842 Tango, 3 miles north.
Skyhawk 7842 Tango, runway 26, clear to land.
Clear to land 26.
Clear to land 26.
Skyhawk 748 Mike Kilo, you can start your base.
Start our base, 740 Mike Kilo.
Cessna 4, tell Mike Tower.
We'd like to come back in for landing and back to Mr. Weber's.
Bring in some power.
Cessna 4, tell Mike, then enter the left base, runway 31, and report when you're turning front of your number 2 to that runway following the Cessna.
Power, power, power. Power out. Alright, some light brakes. We'll turn left at Juliet.
RP.
That's 8 Mike Kilo, runway 31, cleared for the option.
31 clear for the option, 8 Mike Kilo.
Cessna 7842 Tango, turn left there at Juliet, and what were your intentions?
West ramp.
Cessna 42 Tango, contact ground 121.8.
121.8.
121.8. Ground, Skyhawk 7842 Tango, off of Juliet 26 to the west ramp.
Skyhawk 7842 Tango, Lancaster ground, turn right on Delta, hold short, runway 31.
Right on Delta, hold short 31.
Right on Delta, hold short 31. Ground, 7842 Tango, holding short at 31.
42 Tango, hold short, runway 31.
Holding short, 42 Tango.
That's cool.
Ah, a little biplane.
42 Tango, cross runway 31, taxi straight ahead to the west ramp.
Crossing 31, straight ahead to the west ramp, 42 Tango.
Once again, it's a duo in back. Put the sounds of our generation new on the map. It's all bread and our butter, the food on our plate with the
Temperature 27, dew point 16, altimeter 29er 7. Visual approach runway 26 or runway 31 in use. Land and hold short operations are in effect for aircraft landing runway 26 and holding short of runway 31. Available landing distance for participating aircraft is 5,100 feet. Advise on initial contact you have information. Golf.
Ground, Skyhawk 7842 Tango, west ramp with Golf, VFR north.
And Skyhawk 742 Tango, Lancaster ground, runway 31, taxi via Delta Alpha.
Delta Alpha to 31.
Check it out, Kathryn.
Nice. Oh, it's a Navy one.
No. Still,
Oh, you
use
got
my
this.
phone.
Okay. 30 wicket. Tower, Skyhawk 7842 Tango, ready at 31.
Skyhawk 7842 Tango, Lancaster Tower, runway 31, cleared for takeoff, turn right on course.
Clear for takeoff, right on course. Alright.
Alright.
Ready?
Heels on the floor. Yep. Full power. Let's go. We're working out that crosswind correction. We have power.
Airspeed's coming alive.
Rotating.
I mean,
Letting weather vane into the wind a little bit. And climbing up.
Turn 7842 Tango, Harrisburg approach, flag 0364.
So can you spot Zerby from here, Kathryn? That would be it right there.
yeah.
7842 Tango, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, fixed change approved.
Good day.
Good day.
Bloomsburg Municipal Airport, automated advisory, wind 240 at 6 knots, with gust 215, temperature 29er Celsius, dew point 17 Celsius, altimeter 29er 2, density altitude 2,200.
Bloom traffic, Skyhawk 78 Tango's back taxiing runway 27 Bloom.
Pleasure traffic, Sky 42 Tango, 2 south, entering downwind for 27 Bloom.
Pleasure traffic, Skyhawk 42 Tango, base 27 Bloom.
Low left aileron, right rudder. Level off.
And we're on the ground.